Hello everyone, I'm AJ, here at the Female Night Coach to explore the world of holistic healing, gardening, meditation, natural healing, and herbalism. The journey to this channel started with the realization our health is the most precious asset and it's time for us to take control. I began questioning the foods we eat, the products we use, and the systems in place. The more I learned, the more I realized the importance of becoming self-sufficient and embracing a holistic lifestyle. My journey began with a simple step, cutting out meat for health reasons. But it didn't stop there. As I delved deeper, I discovered a profound truth. Many of the foods we consume are laden with chemicals, and big corporations are always interested in our well-being. This realization ignited a passion in me to learn and to share their knowledge. I am not an expert. I'm learning just like you are, eager to explore this lifestyle and share my discoveries along the way. If you're here, you might be on a similar journey. Maybe you're curious about holistic health, sustainable gardening, the power of meditation, or the healing property of herbs. Or perhaps, like me, you felt disillusioned with the mainstream options and are seeking something more authentic. Whatever your reason, you find a community here. Whether you're well versed in these topics or just starting out like I am, I invite you to join me. Let's learn together, support each other, and navigate the path towards a healthier, more self-sustainable lifestyle. If you found value in today's video and you're as excited as I am about exploring this holistic lifestyle, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. I can't wait to share more insights and discoveries with you. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep embracing the lifestyle. See you soon.